Yes, welcome back for our viewers today. Watch us for GoTV channel 98 and then free-to-air channel 57, and also for online www.wazobiatv.tv/live. The program now AS E DEY HOT, and at the Terror edition now we don't carry come on our way. And all the stories that we don't do it, we don't go through. We'll quickly go through them again. President Buhari don't return with enough ginger. Now the first story we will drop for them. And then when it comes to the issue of constitutional amendment, then that is the leaders of the Senate talk say, look, they go better make then get life pension for senators and their organs them. We can also enter Edo State, that is Edo 2016. On your mark, set, go. As they take do it, as they take prepare for the governorship election. We can also talk say 14.8 million children they suffer from Boko Haram badness over the last 6 years. Finally, we can also talk say CBN new Forex policy say it is start today. These are all the major stories we don't table down, and our phone this is still very open for now to call and also contribute in our own quarter. Chukwudi, straight up, there's another interesting story we need to look.
Now you go start that story.
Me.
Because now you the story concern.
I take concern.
In a government of change.
In a government of change.
Exactly. We shout for the people.
No, I see
nothing has been done. We shout for the legislators. Something has been done. Talk am now. No, you talk am. Anyway, now you talk am.
Anyway, make we go straight to waiting and this thing will happen over the weekend. Where the senator they talk say headed by the deputy Senate president, that Oga Ekuremadu, say he go better. Say he go good if they get life pension for senators. That is the senators and their organs, which is them. I can't look okay. Life pension for senators and their organs there. What then happens to other pensions where other people don't they get? What then happens to other constitutional amendments? They close their eyes to they know what amend.
Thank you.
What then happens to constitutional amendment where we say if the amendment finish, it will affect the mass, it will affect the masses positively. But before we go further on this, maybe we collect this call from Ogoke. Good morning, Ogoke, all the way from Calabar.
Good morning, Mr. Nkubi.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Chukwudi.
I greet you, okay?
They wish you a happy new week.
They wish you the same.
Make a shit now small. First of all, I want to thank God for the successful treatment where our presido don't go come back. And I thank God for Johnny Messi. Then, make a hit about our children where they displaced, where Boko Haram things
affect.
Make them no fit go school, no fit do anything. It hurt me say our government they tackle unnecessary things. Then the one where they necessary, they turn back on them. They hurt me because now those children supposed not say they be government picking. Now those children supposed to say government care about them. At least. Not the only government too. Like yesterday I read in the internet where our own pastor here, charter cargo flight, go help for Ecuador for their earthquake what happened there. Then how about our own backyard here? So I think that time when we go put heads together, where government and the individuals go put heads together and really help out. You know matter the state, you know matter the area where the thing they happen. Since we call ourselves one Nigeria, the Wazobia, let us put our heads together and achieve our aim. Thank you, and may God continue to bless Nigeria.
Very true.
Thank you very, very much.
Thank you very much for your important contribution and the fact that you use prayer, take wrap the whole thing up. We get Oga Gabriel. Oga Gabriel, they call us all the way from Benue. Oga Gabriel, good morning and welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Good morning, Nkubi.
Good morning, Oga Gabriel.
Okay.
We dey hear you. Right on. We dey hear.
I'm so happy with this topic today.
Okay.
Okay, like the issue of the Boko Haram. It is very unfair for what is going on with those children. No citizen is more important than another citizen. We are all Nigeria, and all of us are equal before the law. It is not good for our own children to die in starvation in Nigeria, while we have a great people there in position. Like somebody just talked from Benue State, like President said from the beginning. their representatives are not doing great. They are not doing well at all. Because they cannot be there and those children will be suffering like that. They are Nigeria and they need respect and they need proper care. All the people that are representing them, I can tell the people that are representing us there as the federal house, they have to do something about it. We cannot allow them to suffer like that. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Oga Gabriel, for that contribution. And the same way Oga Oke don't talk passionately, you dey call on government to do it in address the issue. At least if we say we get children and we not even get this feeling for them, say, look, these children are then going to represent us tomorrow. Then I wonder where would they head straight to. But then it's a good thing say Nigerians they also call to also at least talk about this matter. So at least our leaders will lead us, they will feel know it, they will feel know the right direction and the right thing to do. So Chukwudi, back to our matter, back to the issue of constitutional amendment. You got waiting the deputy senate president talk with me. Say, I look and finish. I can't say, really? He say make we not see this now as a very cheap this thing. Say we need to strengthen our institution. Say at least say these are ways where we say the country will take this strengthened. I can't look and finish. Say hi. Strengthen institution. And the angle if you bring her from. Now angle we say by the time your own pocket is strengthened for years till you die.
For life.
What about the conditions of Nigerians? How are you? What effort are you making to strengthen their own institution? Now, if you talk say your own institution, your own personal institution, not be even nation institution, you don't strengthen them. Make we talk collective institution. How do you intend strengthening it? So that at least life of Nigerians, at least. Talk.
It is very, very unfortunate, say, now this particular issue, now we consider most important.
It is important. People talk about
no, not even for us.
Okay.
For those people who talk say
thank
they
you
want
very
amend,
much.
when talk say they want amend constitution.
Amending of constitution, thank you.
But if you check the arguments, you can't place them side by side. Somehow, based on the way law they go, the thing makes sense. Because then talk say the executive, the legislature, and the judiciary. Now 3 independent organs or arms of government. And 3 of them they work pari passu. And then they do check and balance to ensure say this one no do anyhow, this one no behave anyhow. Then come talk say if governor they get immunity, why presiding officers of the National Assembly say Senate President, Deputy Speaker, why they don't get immunity? But if you go also check them, we don't get governors. We get 36 states for Nigeria. From 1999, go reach this 2015, the last 2015 election, the governors they don't get for this country, they don't reach like 50. And all of them, they collect money based on say they don't be governor before. And many of them, during their period, they get immunity when say nothing happen to them. Maybe we talk to Oga Alex before I drop the bombshell. Oga Alex, good morning and welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Good morning, Chukwudi and Nkubi.
Good morning, Oga Alex. You don't
I want to passionately on behalf of Abuja caller. Yes, I'm on Wazobia mass here. They can connect AS E DEY HOT to Abuja Wazobia mass so that at least we will give our usual response now.
Okay.
Then besides, is the issue on immunity?
Yes. We will discuss the issue of immunity and life pension for Senate presiding officers then.
I think, Chukwudi.
Would they hear your Oga Alex?
It's not a civil service. That's we not say pension. Election. You get a terminal day. You were the senior president, you were the deputy senior president, you were the governor, chairman. Once your tenure expires, you go back the highest. When they will give you some allowance, not to make it a passionate.
Thank you very much.
Service at all. And because it's like that in other advanced. Like the American system, when our partner is model after, you know, they like that. Once you start your tenure, why they go pay you a lifetime gratuity? Like some of these former governors, they try to manipulate the books, make them pay them life pension. You see, it not get like that. I think it's left for Nigerians. The masses made them resist it. And that is why there is high level of corruption now. Some of them go corruptly enrich themselves, then they expect to pay back again. Don't you see what is happening in some of the states that are very, very solvent? So that is my take, my brother.
Okay, Alex, thank you very, very much for at least dropping this your take on top of this matter, because at least these are the kind of comments we would really want. We get a caller right now. Good morning.
Oga Iroko.
Iroko, good morning.
Good morning, no.
Good morning, Oga Iroko. Which of the Irokos you be? Shina, the one with that side or Ondo?
I don't the boy, yeah. I don't the boy.
Okay.
Honestly speaking, hello.
Yeah, Iroko.
Yeah, but honestly speaking, I don't. My own contribution is that since all those people will be in power, you understand? Those people were supposed to take care of all those. Those people when they take care of when they take care of when they put the way they put for government, they take care of the whole thing. They abandon the whole thing. They look for their pocket. If youths go rise up against them and start killing them one by one, then go know the worth of those children they abandoned. Believe me. Now, because they just leave them, that was the reason why they mess up the whole thing. But may God help them. In fact, I believe that by the grace of God, I believe that this country, this Nigeria, will surely come to normality in Jesus' name.
We say amen to your prayer, Oga Iroko. We get Oga Donald. Oga Donald, they call us from inside this Lagos. Oga Donald, good morning and welcome to AS E DEY HOT, all the way from K2.
Good morning, Donald. Hi.
I said the network no agree Oga Donald to make an important contribution.
You were saying...
Yes, but if you check them, if you place them side by side, with the argument of our reps, them now say, if these people, they enjoy this particular thing, we suppose they enjoy them. It not be crime to say you want to enjoy immunity. Not be crime to say you want to enjoy life pension. But it is criminal when your immunity now to protect you if you do bad thing.
Thank you very much.
Because immunity is supposed to be allow the person concentrate.
Thank you very much.
But if you protect you when they do bad thing, like we don't see, say plenty of them they do bad things, but then they hide under immunity.
When they still escape, you mentioned the number of...
Quick one, this other one. You want collect life pension. Even the Bible talk and say person when don't work.
And this people, sorry briefly, this life pension what they talk about. Now even after death too, it continue. It will extend to the family. We know that.
No, because there be special people
but
now.
The ordinary man in the society.
Exactly.
The ordinary man
minimum wage now 18,000 naira.
If they are alive, you know they think collecting pension.
Say that they wait for pension.
If they are alive, no collecting pension.
Never collect pension. You want to collect
what if you can't die?
Forget it.
The pension is gone.
Besides, if we even talk of constitutional amendment, share that this particular one, that be the issue we discuss.
Chukwudi, make we collect.
I don't understand this change.
Make we collect this call with the change. In fact, I am confused with the change, sir. But I know say the change will come forth. That change will come forth. Good morning. Oga Jacob.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
Good morning.
Oga Jacob.
Please, if any senators they pay them life allowance, pay them pursue that person come out there. If by my own state, if you come for campaign, I swear God, but they arrest me. Life.
So you they talk say
18,000 minimum wage. You want come and go to pay life pension for waiting. Not to get more to use money to do something. Me and one bit also by village. God tell me say 219 come for I will swear for you.
Oga Jacob, calm down.
Easy,
calm down. We know say your blood is hot. And just like every other Nigerian, people know happy, but we don't get your contribution. You don't already talk and say, no be waiting and suppose they think at all be that. Make we rush, enter inside this quick break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue to take your call as it get to do with your reaction to all the action to the way we carry come from the weekend. If you like saying that this one, I will go stop on top because it dey affect the Nkubi.
It affect us.
It's you people that is affecting.
I tell you, don't have relation. When they collect pension.
Welcome back to AS E DEY HOT. From here where we stand so at the final bus stop on top of AS E DEY HOT with the see so. We carry 5 action to the way happen inside the obodo Nigeria political boxing ring from the weekend. Number 1, Papa Oyoyo, based on say President Muhammadu Buhari don't return back to the country with plenty ginger. We also look at the constitution amendment, and the one where we say our senators and they talk say they need life pension based on the plenty work when they do, and also immunity for their ogbonge leaders. Them we also discuss the Edo 2016 on your man get set go. APC don't conduct their own primaries, and Oga Godwin Obaseki don't emerge as the person will go wear the jersey of APC for the 2016 election. We call the ask say INEC. We hope say we na get plenty time to prepare so that when it happen for Kogi, Bayelsa, and Rivers State no go repeat itself. We also talk about the 14.8 million children when they suffer from Boko Jaguda badness. Come top them up with the new plan where we say CBN don't put based on foreign exchange to use give our dollar ginger.
Our dollar ginger Chukwudi.
Our dollar ginger. No be to answer the one wey concern you. The one where una dey find life pension and immunity under a government of change.
Now wait till we dey talk before we go for that break now.
I come dey remind you so that you go remember say when
I tell you say I forget before.
We shall.
After all, who bring up the issue?
Who bring
Not
up
me bring up the issue.
As you bring up
I don't know how it dey affect the people who take rate them up.
Thank you.
So why can't they make them as if na me they collect the pension or na me they apply for the pension?
Nkubi, if you went there, you know as they affect the people. Why you be say your own?
That is why we dey talk am here.
Una party people wey be majority, they don't know.
Ekoremadu where they lead the battle, where is it from?
Bukola Saraki, where is he from?
See, it is not about party.
Yakubu Dogara, where is he from?
It is not about party.
Oh, no, it's not about party.
Let us address the main issue,
No,
the
it's
key
not
issue.
about party. You see?
It's not about... No, be the community chairman
Who be Senate
You
president?
don't do it.
Who be majority for Senate? If una don't like him, una don't go say those in favor say nay.
That is why we need to remind them of their responsibilities.
You remind them they are your people.
We are doing that.
I've done my own. Do your own.
I have also done my own.
We want to change Nigeria.
I want to speak for Nigerians. I've always been speaking for Nigeria. That's how they bring up this issue. So make our leaders know what they're supposed to do.
But Nkubi, it good make we even address this issue well. How person go think say you when we say you dey Senate, or you when you even be governor, or you when you dey any position for government, when you dey collect, you know say you fit dey this Nigeria Senate, you fit dey there for 35 years.
Now we know now.
If you win election,
don't stay there. You know how long way you don't.
David Mark.
Hey.
If you fit win election back to back. If you dey win election back to back, you dey even the money wey senator dey collect already.
You know what?
You don't reach to build hotel.
You know what? You know say this thing wey you just talk now somehow. He also there's probably waiting they affect all these areas where these people they come from because they feel say nobody can stop me.
Yes, now.
Anytime I can get in.
Yes, now.
As long as this thing no get restriction. We get IKENGA.
Calling name, which one be IKENGA? Why they calling name?
IKENGA, all the way from Ado Ekiti. Good morning, IKENGA.
I agree with you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Why they spoil his name now?
No,
Yeah.
that's his name. Talk to us today here, IKENGA.
Yeah. Thank God say our honorable president don't come back. Oh.
Okay.
I thank God for his life, bro. And they talk say, make we Nigerians join hands together. Let us pray. So that this changes when it's our honorable president is talk before he enter power. Make it come to pass in every Nigerian's life.
Okay, IKENGA, we like the way when we say you just use prayer, wrap up all these particular calls when we don't collect and the discussion of people. Really appreciate them. Thank you very, very much. We did very, very sure say everybody for Nigeria, they wish Oga Presido well. The reason why we wish Oga Presido well now say make him do the work when we say we don't vote him to do and make him change this country. Oga Bobby, all the way from Amsterdam. He go help us padlock our phone. Oga Bobby, good morning and welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Good morning. I now go ahead my own good prayer and I swear prayer I won't swear.
Monday morning we do.
No end we swear, I beg.
Why I say so be say for those who they look for immunity to steal our money and won't get away with it. They look for pension. When you never fight for your constituency to be better. You they fight for your to tell you say yes, those guys they are not fighting for
the masses.
Anybody except for themselves. They are greedy, don't swallow them, so they don't know what to do. They try to pass amendments, things to
to benefit them, not to benefit Nigerians, but to benefit them. So to tell you, say, yes, we don't need those kind of people. Saraki and the rest of them. The accusation, what they accuse him of, which he did, we understand me now, because if you did think of such a thing, that which means you commit such a crime when you say you think of such a thing to take part immunity for yourself. You understand me now? Then to the case of those children when hunger the key, I think this is the time to hold those big men in the country responsible to be the find solution to solve our problem of our children. We're not going to let our children the hunger they die. You understand me now? Be the find solution to the problems. Because if children of today are the future, children of the future. So we're not going to let them be the hunger die. If there is a way where we say, me, I go to contribute, me, I beg, find time for me.
Exactly.
I contribute not small thing, I contribute not something. You understand me? It's not time to do for tribalism. We are bigger than that.
Very true.
So I beg, Chukwudi and Nkubi, we can find solution. We don't need to sit down and wait for government for everything. Not everything government will wait for everything.
Exactly, Oga Bobby.
Oga Bobby, thank you very much for this your important contribution and your gesture to support these people. What do we go assure you on top of AS E DEY HOT be say? And we say go launch our investigation, do all we can to bring the principal people when we say, then get the power to do action for this particular story. They go sit down here on top of AS E DEY HOT, answer all these questions, and then go tell us if they don't fit do them, how we go take we help them to take do them to help our country people. Nkubi, I even happy saying no even come top them up with this swear prayer when he say he won't pray. And I know say the reason why he talk about that swear prayer now because of this thing when we say we don't they see for inside the House of Senate. You see, I don't know why in a government of change. You see, me, I believe say by this time, say we
maybe you could not they fly.
We go down they build houses for the sky.
No,
because of the kind sweet mouth I use.
Na rocket science.
No, not be rocket science. Why not they talk? Not be rocket science.
Na rocket science.
Why not they talk? Not be rocket science.
Because talk say they build house for
we shall
gravity.
We shall help the women. Where are the women today? No. We will help the young girls. Where are the young girls today? No. We will help the children. Where are the children? You can't tell me don't do me.
Let's close.
Don't tell me don't do me.
Let us close the show.
Now you want to close the show.
Let us close the show.
Not that I'm firing you. You want to close the show. I'm firing you.
What right?
Your people.
Do you have to fire?
Your people want life pension.
Don't you have your own people there?
Your people want life pension.
Where is it from?
Saraki, where is it from? Dogara, where is it from?
It is still, we are still affected.
It's not, it's 3-1.
You are affected,
it's
I'm affected.
It's 3-1. It's 3-1.
No.
The president.
Let us dig deeper.
Don't dig anywhere.
Let us dig deeper.
Are you a digger?
What's that?
Are you a digger?
If we dig deeper, you will see the
Mr. Digger. You are digging it.
Enough of that.
Digging deep.
Enough of that.
Digging deep.
Don't do you.
Mr. Digger.
Don't do it.
Do your worst.
It is a Monday morning.
That's why I'm firing you.
That you know, say
Mr. Digger.
You know they beat me Monday morning.
I won't be you.
You open
I
eyes.
won't be you. No, it isn't only if you open eye.
Talk.
Open your own eye. Let me open my own. Talk and I talk. Open your eye. Let me open my own eye.
No problem.
No problem for you too. No problem for you too.
Last warning.
Last warning for you too.
Last warning.
Second to the last warning for you.
Last warning.
Not the point me finger.
Last warning.
Not the point me finger.
Look, I don't tell you now.
Not the point me finger. Allow me to end the show for our Nigerian people.
Show.
Our people when they for we allow me end this show. Our people when they for us. We thank una say una watch. Those when call to contribute, we really appreciate. Make una do us this one big favor. Make una tell una loved ones and will you allow me end this show? Don't cut into my talk. Don't cut into my talk.
Go ahead and
make una tell una loved ones when they watch this show.
I don't go till tomorrow. Me, I don't come out. Come meet me outside.
Nkubi. To enjoy more of these our ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.